We're the Molten Metal Marauders representing Cal Poly Pomona in the 2025 Cast and Steel competition.
This sword is a lot wonkier than I remember it being.
Mr. Washington, there's an emergency. Oh.
Does your sword not stab like it used to?
Have you found yourself in stabbing situations?
Well, we got the sword for you.
To meet SFSA competition standards, our sword has to stay under 2 kilograms, be under 1 meter in length, and function as a spadroon while maintaining historical accuracy. We also had to ensure it was castable in steel and structurally sound.
Our Gantt chart helped us stay on track, breaking the project into phases from design and mold preparation to casting and testing. This structure gave us time for adjustments.
We used FMEA to anticipate failures like casting defects and weak points, allowing us to refine our gating system and prevent major issues before pouring.
SolidWorks was key in modeling and refining our design, helping us visualize stress points and optimize the final shape for manufacturing.
We ran stress tests on our spadroon to check the strength, focusing on the blade to hilt connection. For the gating system, we analyzed metal flow to reduce defects like misruns and shrinkage. These tests help us refine the design, making sure the final cast was strong and reliable.
After casting, we focused on post-processing to refine the sword. We started with grinding to remove excess material and smooth out the surface. Spot welding was used to reinforce our weakened areas and pitting, and this ensured a solid structure. Finally, we sharpened the blade to give it a clean, functional edge. All of these steps combined helped improve both the durability and final appearance of the sword.
Now this is a sword fit for my collection.
And it meets
SA
requirements.
Oh, okay.